The next one is the Plagal Cadence. The Plagal Cadence, like I said previously, the Plagal Cadence is also called the Amen Cadence. Just like the authentic cadence, it gives a sense of completion or a sense of finality to a piece of music. But the chord combination differs from the authentic cadence, right? So usually the Plagal Cadence progresses from chord 4 to chord 1. Then the progression going to the tonic is giving us the sense of home, it's giving us the sense of completion, of finality to that piece of music, right? Okay, we have examples here. So in the major tonality, we have this Plagal Cadence on C major. We see the subdominant chord going back to the tonic, right? There is no inversion here. So these are the root notes of the chords. So you see the subdominant going back home, and that's the Plagal Cadence. Chord 4 going back to chord 1. That's the Plagal Cadence. And in the minor tonality, we also have similar arrangements. So in A minor, you see the subdominant chord going back home to the tonic. So these are Plagal Cadence. So let's see how the first one sounds. So the first one sounds this way. All right, that's the major tonality. Now let's see the second one, the one in minor tonality. It sounds this way. All right, all right. Okay, so let's continue. Let's go to the next chord. It is called the deceptive cadence, right? It sounds as if you want to